Hello pretty ladies out there, welcome to another new edition of Exclusive Style. Yeah, your number one fashion channel all over the world. Yeah, I've come to present these beautiful dresses for you today. It's a lovely compilation. These dresses are trending, they are super stylish, they are super stunning, they are the hottest dress in town. In fact, they are the trendiest dress I have for you. Now you can see how beautiful the designs are. So these designs are compiled together. So I compiled both African designs, African print dresses, African styles, African wears, African fashion dresses, and lots of more. So my ladies, I don't want you to be left out on these new and the latest designs I have for you. So what I just want to do is, if there's any of these designs that you like, just kindly screenshot them, give it to your fashion stylist, let them make these dresses for you, okay, so that you can look beautiful and stand out anywhere you find yourself. And also, if you are new to this channel, you need to help me, support me, subscribe to this channel. Let's keep this design going trending all over the world. And also, from tomorrow I'm going to be dishing out some beautiful Kitinga dresses, so just watch to the end. Bye.
Now I'm growing up. I wanna know how to be in love with you. Doesn't matter where you're from. It should be love, no get conditional. When I see your face, every time my heart keeps racing. Oh, yeah, what's a song? This love would it burn like fire. Oh, I should, more. Hold on, me, we go there together. Oh, I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back where do me, Titi Dala. Oh, I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back where do me, Titi Dala. Oh, my love is for real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. My gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. Whether night down or you roll, hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control, control, control. I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back when you miss Titi Dala. Boy, you know that my love is for real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. Oh boy, I love my gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. When the night down you roll, hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control, 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 yeah, control, control. I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back when you miss Titi Dala, oh. I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back when you miss Titi Dala, oh.
So my ladies, as you continue to watch this video, so as I was saying, I'm having some 50 stuff on Fitinga dresses. Okay, so there are some that I've been uploading, and I want to encourage you ladies in the West app to kindly go and check those designs. But I have new designs on Fitinga dresses for you, so I don't want you to be left out. So from tomorrow, we will be pushing out those Fitinga dresses and also share dresses. So my ladies, like I said the other time, make this kind of designs, subscribe and supporting my channel. And also, if you're already a subscriber, please like this video, share this video. Let's make Xclusive Style trend all over the world. Okay, so please and please, I want you to support me, encourage me, go viral. Also check out our on our website these pretty designs and lovely designs. We have them on our website, so kindly click the comment in the description section below. You see our three websites, you see all these designs there. Thank you very much.
Click on this button to subscribe, and also click on this particular picture button to check more on our website. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Beats magic.